Teacher Cat Tina. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Cat Tina. Today we're drawing a super cute fish. Let's get started. Magic Fairy, come on, bring this cute fish to life. Hooray! Our cute fish has come to life. Let's keep drawing and learning together. Did you know? Fish live in water and they use their gills to breathe. That's like their special nose. Fish have fins to help them swim and tails to steer like a little boat. This one looks like a goldfish. Goldfish are popular pets and love to swim in little ponds or aquariums. Drawing and coloring is so much fun, right? Come on, you try too. You can use any colors you like. There are no rules in art. It's coloring time. You can make your fish pink, blue, rainbow, or even gold. Your choice. Did you like this cute goldfish drawing? Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!